The cleaning cloths for my car just arrived, and I'm doing an unboxing so you can see what I see as I start looking at them. There's the top. It says thanks again from IGETURBO. Microfiber cleaning cloth. Let's check the quality. Well, these are really, really nice and soft. And the sewing is good. They've got a bias binding around the edge. And how many are there? There's 1, 2. Oh, they've tucked inside. Let's do it this way. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 of them. And oh my gosh, guys, these are wonderful. They're super soft and they're yummy. And you know what? I bet you these are going to do a really good job cleaning off the windows and the dash. I really like these. These are nicely done. Oh, look, they've even got a hook so that I can attach them and hang them and have access to them pretty quick. Well, let me tell you, I love the color. I love the fabric. I love the quality. And you know what? These would be wonderful just for baby cloths or washcloths, or they're huge for them, but they're really nice and soft. Okay, so out of a 5-star rating, I give these a 5. I think that they are absolutely wonderful. I really, really like them. It says they're 16 inches by 16 inches, and there's 9 packs. It's 80% polyester and 20% nylon, and machine wash. Woohoo! You don't bleach them. Tumble dry. Oh, you know what? I don't recommend putting bounce sheets in with the wash when you're using them for cleaning, because the bounce has wax in it. So don't use that, but just wash them in the washing machine. What else do they say here? Tumble dry, normal temperature. Yep, singing my song. Easy clean, easy use, and boy, do they feel nice. Really like them. And that's my review for these wonderful microfiber cleaning cloths.